Time alone can kill a motorcycle. This one is nearly unused, but 45 years from new. Fortunately, Father Time is a predictable bastard. If a bike ran when parked, there are usually 4 fixes to make it run again. Facts. Never give 4 facts about a bike unless it has fuel, air, compression, and spark. Bike owners should start on the easier side to avoid unnecessary work. Bike buyers should start on the trickier side to avoid a lemon. Pull the plug cap, gain carnal knowledge with your screwdriver, hold it a few millimeters from ground, and kick. Or crank, if by some miracle there's a decent battery. Now you know why our first tool has a plastic handle. Compression rarely goes bad in storage, but deep engine damage, along with the electrical demons we just exorcised, are the 2 likeliest reasons your bike was parked in the first place. Fun fact, the average human can hold 100 pounds with their thumb. Fun fact, most motorcycles won't run on less than 100 psi. So if your thumb blows off, that's a positive result. Better ground the spark plugs while you're at it. Gives the coils voltage somewhere to go that isn't straight through its own insulation. Besides, might as well see the plug spark. Unless there's gas around. In that case, switch the kill to off before you kill yourself off. Now, air is everywhere. Sealing it in one place with the right amount of gasoline is what time makes difficult. Ultraviolet light and ultraviolent mice chew leaks in carb boots, so make sure there isn't a whole nest of problems. Gas also gunks over time, but I've never found a clog that a long soak in carb cleaner, followed by blasts of compressed air, won't clear. So keep scratchy wire away from buttery brass jets, and keep everything away from rubber seals. Even when you remove them before carb cleaning, they may be shot with rot. Hence Viton cord stock. Measure the track, smoothly cut that length with a razor, and stick the ends with gas-resistant superglue. Unbelievably, that's how custom O-rings are made. Why wait weeks for overpriced factory parts? We want her running today. So let's take similar cuts of bulk fuel hose. Restoring a time-brittled, guaranteed-to-be leaky system only requires a few dollars of rubber on hand. Now add fuel cleaner before turning the taps. Slosh it, soak it, then drain it. No sense letting this crud immediately clog our clean carburetor. Thank you very much for putting a motorcycle back on the road. And now that it's running, let's think of stopping. Brake fluid is notoriously corrosive, so many revived bikes will have seized calipers in need of rebuilding. Chains also rust over the years, check for dangerous binding, and cables dry out, so lubricate before you pull them too much or you'll snap one. I say these things as an end note because I always postpone putting work into a bike until we know that it's viable.